Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making chicken udon noodle stir fry. Let's begin. We have here 2 packages of udon noodles. You can find this at your local grocery store. It's usually by the tofu section in the refrigerated aisle. They're almost around 8 ounces. And the packages and the noodles look like this. They're already soft and ready to go. It comes with seaweed and some sauce, pre-made sauce. But we're making our own awesome sauce today. Okay, let's begin. We need around a 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Okay, that's around 1/4 cup of soy sauce. We're also adding a 1/4 cup of water, or it's around 4 tablespoons of water. We're adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. We're adding 1 spoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of pure sesame seed oil, 1/4 teaspoon of ground white pepper. Okay, that's around 1/4 teaspoon. 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. And then stir everything all together. Okay, we're going to set the pre-made sauce to the side. To thicken the sauce, we have here a 1/4 cup of water and some cornstarch. And we're going to add around a tablespoon. And we stir that together. And this is what we're going to use to thicken the sauce. But you want to mix it in well so that it doesn't clump up when you put it into the sauce. Okay, we're going to put that to the side. And we're going to start cutting up the chicken. We have here 2 chicken breasts from Costco. We're going to open that up. There we go. I'm right-handed, so I'm going to wash my hands real quick. Okay, we're going to cut the chicken breasts into slices. We want it thin just so that it's easier to cook and faster too. Okay, we're just going to spread it out just a little bit. And now we're going to add some garlic salt to it. Turn it over. There we go. We're going to add just a little bit of ground white pepper. And that should be good enough. The next thing what we're going to do is crack open an egg. And then we're going to add the chicken to the egg. We're going to remove the cutting board. And then we're going to mix the egg in with the chicken. Next, we're going to add some cornstarch to the chicken. We're going to add a tablespoon first. Looks like we need around 2 more tablespoons. So we're going for around 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. You want to make it thick enough where it has a nice coating on the outside of the chicken. There's a nice consistency to the chicken, and we're just going to add just a little bit of pure sesame seed oil. I would say around a spoon. And then mix everything all up. Okay, everything is nicely mixed up. It's a nice thick consistency. It'll keep the chicken moist. And we're set. We have here the steamer tray. We're going to take off the glass cover. And here's the tray for the broccoli, and then the water. We're going to wait for the water to boil first before we put in the broccoli. And we'll be back. Okay, the water is boiling, and now we're going to add in the broccoli. And if you don't have one of these steamer trays, what you can do is use a pot and put a bowl in there and steam the broccoli that way. Okay, let's add in the broccoli, and we're going to leave it in here for around 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, it's been steaming for about 5 minutes, and let's take it out. Okay, we're gonna put the broccoli to the side. We're gonna remove the steamer. Okay, now we're gonna start cooking the chicken. We're gonna let it heat up first. We're gonna add some cooking oil. And now we're gonna add the chicken. Okay. Gonna turn it over. Okay, the chicken is browning up pretty well. You just need to cook it just a little longer just to make sure that they're fully cooked. Okay, the chicken is nicely browned up, and now we're gonna put it on a plate and set it aside. We're gonna start cooking the vegetables. We're gonna add some cooking oil. The first thing we're gonna cook is 1 cup of chopped up white onions. Next, we're gonna add a cup of carrots. We're gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic. Now we're gonna add the noodles. We're gonna add the chicken back in. Okay, the noodles have softened up quite a bit. We're gonna add the broccoli back in and stir everything all together. Okay, now we're gonna add the pre-made sauce. Okay, now we're gonna add the thickening agent to thicken up the sauce a little bit. You can add more or less depending on how thick you want the sauce to be. Now we're gonna put it on a plate. Okay, this is what we have today, chicken udon noodle stir fry. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. Thanks for watching.